Hello everyone, Michael Lee here from The Reviewer. Today I'm going to unbox and also do a simple review about smart plugs. So I've been using smart plugs to control my lights and also sirens in the house. So when I go overseas, in Japan or in China or in other countries, as long as I have Wi-Fi, I can actually control the lightings, even turn on the siren of the house. So by using smart plug. So there are different kinds of smart plugs and different brands. Okay, so it's not really that expensive. So it's about 18 ringgit. So you can use Alexa, Amazon, and also Google Assistant. Okay, so you can configure it with your Google Assistant, and by turning it on, so it comes with an instruction, okay, how to set up the smart plug. So there are two different types, the square type and the round type. So this is where it will sync to your phone. So you need to download the apps from them. So once you have the app, you can actually link this smart plug to the app itself. So then you can actually turn on, turn off. You can even set the timing when it can turn on, turn off when you're not around the house. So it's like an auto timer as well. So I have also used this to link to my smart glasses. So if you have seen the other review on the Huawei glasses, so I've linked the Google Assistant to the glasses. From there, I can just tap my glasses. I can turn on the smart lights from my home, far away from Malaysia. So if you guys like me to actually review or show you how this works, give me a like and subscribe. Post your comments. Okay, I will do another video to show you how you can set this up and also how the smart light can benefit you. That's all for now. Thank you everyone. Tune in to The Reviewer.